Well, it's been a while since we've done a project on Ava Grace.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Yet another storm, Storm Eowyn. It's just starting to ramp up here. We're expecting up to 62 knots of wind. Being on the east coast, we're not going to be as bad as they're getting on the west coast. Northern Ireland have been really hammered at the moment. Well, it's the day after Storm Eowyn came through. Still a bit breezy, but not bad. Nice day, blue sky. The boat's absolutely covered in salt. The spray coming up from the waves in the marina have covered us. Everybody survived, I think, in the marina. No damage done. One or two boats with mooring lines frayed and starting to split, but generally speaking, I think we got through it. The winds were exceedingly strong. I mean, we're on the east coast, northeast coast. West coast had it even worse. I wouldn't have wanted to be across on the west coast.
You wanna do? Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. Wanna get low. Wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet and you make me crazy. Tonight, you're gonna give it to me right. Give me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet and you make me crazy. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet and you make me crazy.
Well, it's been a while since we've done a project on Ava Grace.
Sorry.
Janet's coughing in the background, as she's been coughing since 2017. What we're doing is redoing the shower. Now, it's about
just over 2.5 years.
Yeah, so nearly 3 years since we last did it. And what we used was PVC floor tiles actually to do it, but it still looks okay to an extent, but the glue is oozing out of them. They're coming away from the wall, so it's time to renew. And so what are we using? Cardboard, as Janet says, but no. No.
So why are we cutting this to shape if it's not cardboard?
What we're using is a shower panel, plastic shower panel. I've had to cut one down to get it up here. It was awkward. If we look at end on, it's got a square section hollow, so it's quite light, and it's not too thick. It's 10mm thick, so it will reduce the space a little bit, but not a great deal. Now, because it came in a big piece of cardboard, that's what we're actually using for the template. So I'll get on and measure and mark and rough cut for the shape that we need.
Like I said, cardboard. That's what we're doing it with. Don't let him fool you. And that says in. I don't know if you can see round the corner. And that's all funny shaped. Somewhere down there.
Right. Yeah, when you're working on something that's you've got very few square edges, it's a bit awkward.
Square edge? What's that? It's a boat. We don't have any square edges anywhere, do we? We don't have any straight walls, really, do we?
Not really. So we've got the old tiles off the back wall. That's all done. The two faces that we're working on that needed work on, and I might have found the source of a bit of a water leak. I've taken a trim panel off down at the bottom there, and we've got a hole straight through from the shower tray. So there's a possibility that some of the water coming into the forward bilge has come from there. Well, I wouldn't say that was easy, but I've got the first panel up. There it is. That's in. One panel. So I've just got this one to do at this side. Just got to cut this, which is a bit easier shape. Wow. We had to disassemble a bit more than we anticipated. Couldn't get it in through the shower door. So we've had to take the whole frame out. Whoa. And the final wall is on. Plus the shower door back. And we're just getting ready to put the shower head back in. And that's the job done. It does look a lot neater. Single panels. Be easier to keep clean as well.